can hear them. Look, that one's almost melted over there. These ones are crawling here. The shell. But they're all over. You can hear them crawling, wandering around in the dirt. There's some here. There. There. This guy's molting. That is so neat. All coming out of holes like this one. It's so neat. There's some that's made it up this far. There's some in the grass. There's one there. There's one there. Some more over here. This one's melting. Looks like this one back here has started. A bunch of shells from earlier today. There's another nymph making his way up. Check the trees. See, this guy's made it out. He's climbing around. A couple nymphs on the leaves here. You can hear whatever's going on in this tree. There's a bunch of nymphs here. This one is covered in shells and a lot of cicadas with beat up wings like this. But the new nymphs are making their way up. There's these guys going, that guy. There's more. There's a bunch of cicadas in the weeds. You can see this tree is just covered in shells and cicadas. All the way up. Tons of them. This one's molten, the light's on. Tons of nymphs are making their way up. There's tons of them in the grass. You gotta be careful where you step. There's another hole. Some of them keep falling. Others make it pretty far. This one's molting. It's just the beginning stages. There's another one that's molting. By morning, these will all just be shells. Some more nymphs on the ground. I'm gonna check the last tree. There's a couple more nymphs on the ground. Be extra careful. There's some nymphs. A lot of holes all around. You can hear a ton of them over here. Look at this. They're everywhere. They're holding on to each other at this point. You see a bunch of older cicadas, a bunch of nymphs crawling, nymphs on the tree. Another molting one. This one's just started molting. This one is also covered in. There's a bunch that are ready. Almost. This one's falling out. This one's got his wings going soon. It is insane how many of them are hatching right now. This one is being covered by another nymph. There's another nymph crawling on top of that one. just everywhere. It's stunning. But we can get a 360 of this tree too, because they're also on here. On these, this one's almost done. This is really fascinating. These two are both almost done. I'll sit there and just let gravity take over. Pumping out the blood into their wings. And if all goes right, they'll end up looking like this guy. Really, really cool. Nymphs are fighting over each other. This tree also has them all the way up. It's crazy. Got some adults in the leaves. Bunch of old shells in the ground. This little stump here I showed earlier is just filled full of them. That nymph just fell. These guys are making their way. They'll find just about anything they can grab onto and climb up. This guy's reached the end of the line there. He might just choose that spot. Who knows? It's just millions of them. Kind of crazy. In the most beautiful way. These guys have picked the most prickliest plant. Well, we got a whole bunch of them doing it on here. Nobody's picked this yet. This one's coming out. This one's coming out. This one over here is coming out. Beautiful. A lot of fresh ones. Really, really nice ones. I bet tomorrow night there'll be even more.